Hey everybody, happy Friday. Shay Hensley here. Just wanted to reach out to you and apologize. Apologize for this week and the end of last week of not following up on videos and stuff. Life kind of threw me a big curveball this week with taking our oldest to college. Finally, everybody's saying, anybody who knows us personally knows what he's been going through the last 7 months, and it was a big ordeal to get him set up this week. But wife and I have been on the road the last 2.5 days. Had to make it back for our littlest one's first basketball scrimmage for middle school yesterday. So been a crazy week. But the Renovation guys, integrity, they, trustworthy guys and this and that. They've been in and out of the house the last few days. And as you can see, some of the stuff behind us is coming in great. I mean, the cabinets, we still got flooring out. They've been, in the Jack and Jill bathroom, getting the tile going, flooring's in, vanity, toilets back in, and then a lot of electrical stuff has been moved around and everything. So I haven't had a chance yet to take pictures, but will before they get in here today and through the first of the week. So next week, when I do an update next Friday for the Renovation Friday, we'll have some pictures of everything that's been happening for the last week and a half, 2 weeks. That's basically it. I do apologize. Mortgage Monday will be happening again Monday. Welcome Home Wednesday videos of houses in the market in the Southwest Ohio area will be happening again Wednesday. And then doing the renovation follow-ups on Friday with integrity, restoration, and mechanical. Shout out to my mom. 69th birthday yesterday. We were on the road, did call her late last night. She's the queen. She's the queen of the family. So happy birthday, Mom. Love you. Everybody have a great weekend.